traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you read the charts. Today, guys, we are going to look back at yesterday's trades, right? We're going to do a trade review of Thursday, the 4th of July. And if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, you're going to know exactly how I entered, why I entered, if I didn't enter. All right, so let's look at the trades that we took. So the first one is this Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Right, and we were looking to buy this pair. Why we were looking to buy this pair? Well, we were clearly in an uptrend. All right, so that's the first one. Tick. Yeah, we were seeing bullish candles. Right, we had a bullish candle, and even yesterday's candle was bullish as well. Right, I still think there's a little bit of room in this trade, and I'm still in this trade for 20%. All right, so bullish. Okay, so just trying to carry on this bullish momentum, and take it higher. It actually hit our target of 1,000, right? If we drop down to the H4, let's drop down to the H1. This was really where we entered. Okay, guys, so we entered here, right? As soon as price retraced to this level, I just entered here. Right, I didn't wait for a bounce. Right, why didn't I wait for a bounce? Because I wanted to put my stop loss here, and I knew this was my target. Okay, and we just about got 1:1. So I didn't wait for a bounce because my risk to reward wouldn't have been feasible. Okay, so that's why I entered just at this level of support on the H1. Okay, because imagine this, guys. Imagine if I did, so I just entered here, target here, stop loss here, right? And that's roughly 1:1. Okay, now imagine if I waited for a bounce, yeah? If I entered here off this nice green candle, now this is my reward and this is my risk. So it didn't make sense for my risk to reward. So I had to be a little bit aggressive with this trade as a result. All right. And as you can see, took profit, up here, and we're still in this trade 20%. Potentially it's got a bit more room to move into. All right. So that was our first trade, guys. Good trade. Hope you took the trade idea. Our second trade idea was US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, and before I show you this idea, guys, let me just mention that we have a trading community. If you would like to talk to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, then please come join our free Discord channel. If you would like a bit more than that and you would like to receive my trade signals every day, you would like to receive numerous tutorials to help you learn trading, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. Also, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access to these things and discounts. So please check it all out. It's all in the video description. Right, the second trade was US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, this is the day chart, and we were looking to buy this pair. Okay, so we were in an uptrend. As soon as we broke this high, we were getting higher highs. Okay, we're in an uptrend. And then if we zoom in, you can see we had a nice wick rejection at this last level, and also this support and resistance level in general. So we had a nice wick rejection. The idea was to take price potentially back up to here. Okay, and this may still be the idea. Maybe price comes down to here before it does that. Okay, if we look at the let's have a look at the H4. Yeah, let's have a look at the H1 first, right? Because, as I said, guys, I plan my trade, okay, before I take the trade. And I said in my analysis vid, I said, if it breaks this level, I will trade this pair, okay? And that's exactly what happened, right? So price come down, we was in the H1, and then the news came out for Swiss franc, and Swiss franc got some weakness, right? Which is what we was looking for. I wanted a break of this level. So I got the break, and then I just waited for a retrace. Okay, actually entered at 9022, entered around here, put my stop below here, and the idea was to take profit back up to here. Again, I had to wait for that retrace so that my risk and my reward made sense. Okay, so I was getting 1:1. So the trade idea was, and this is an important point, guys, right? I trade what I plan to do, right? Whether it's successful or not, stick with your plan. Yeah. Then you can't be disappointed in yourself or disappointed in the trade, right? I'm just trading my plan. And my plan was as simple as that. Break of this level. Yeah. I got a nice retrace. The idea was to take price back up to here, had my stop in here. And as you can see, guys, we got stopped out. All right, so that was US dollar, Swiss franc. And then the final trade from yesterday was New Zealand dollar, US dollar. And this just didn't break down, right? I'll just, we were looking to sell it. I'll just show the H1 chart. We just wanted to see a break in structure, right? And as you can see, we just haven't seen one. All right, this level was the important level. Wanted to see a break, never happened. Instead, price built up. All right, and that was the other trade that we were looking at from yesterday. Yeah, so there you go, guys. That's my trade review of Thursday, the 4th of July. If you enjoyed my analysis, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button, guys, and I'll see you next time.